I don't stand in the way of lunch. So first of all, thank you for joining us at the very first ever Blueprint Media event by Globe. Ang sabi ko nga kanina, ang Blueprint moving forward is going to be co-created with you, our media friends. And maraming salamat po muli sa inyong lahat. We appreciate your presence, partnership, and engagement today. And I'd like to recognize also my colleagues for leading the conversations and presentations earlier. So we have Jim Florida, we have Bianca Wong, we have Shella Flores, we have Abby Cardino, we have Eric Tanbaco, Coco Domingo, Marlon Cruz, Rosh Vandenberge. I always miss how to pronounce that. And of course, that's it. And so, we thank you for participating because now you've seen how we actually innovate. And we innovate with the customers in mind. So not for the sake of just tech and innovation, we solve customers' problems, we surface opportunities, and we mine them together. Your voice is vital in sharing how these technologies shape the everyday lives of Filipinos. Kasi kayo po ang aming trumpet to the outside world. And because we want you to co-create it with us, we want you to be the first ones to actually experience our services, so the way you will communicate them in the market externally is based on your own experience. So that to me is the best testimony. And when you look at everything shared today, a bigger story comes into play. Globe is not just innovating, we're designing a digital lifestyle around real needs, real people that enable real progress and benefit. We started the GoGive, a platform that turns everyday transactions into acts of generosity, helping customers give back with ease and purpose. With Globe One, we saw how simplicity and self-service empower customers to manage their plans, rewards, and bills all in one place, giving back control to them, not needing to go to a store, and it's personalized, intuitive, and always accessible and reliable. On cybersecurity, because trust is the new currency, we introduced Scam Shield, a growing suite of protection tools embedded directly in our ecosystem to help keep Filipinos safer from digital fraud. We talked about hyper-personalization, where rewards and offers adjust in real time to the customer behavior and preferences and certain signals. So every customer not only feels seen, heard, but also valued. Yung flagship forever on the postpaid side, we're making device upgrades more flexible than ever. Every year, pwede kayo mag-upgrade to a new flagship device. And it makes the customers always stay ahead on their own terms. We showed Bitsy Play, yan na po ang uuso ngayon. Microdrama, drama shorts, a fresh storytelling platform that delivers local and bite-sized entertainment with heart, a new way to connect through culture, humor, and relatability with a lot of ease and convenience. Not to mention, it's very affordable. We introduced, of course, Globe at Home 5G Loop. Pero Abby, gusto mo ba maging extra generous ngayon para may paraffle mo? Hindi lang isang loop, kung hindi tatlo. Charge mo na lang sa akin. Ang requirement namin dun sa tatlo, magbibigay kayo ng testimonials ng actual experience and make it viral. Yes? Yes! Tatlo, from 1 to 3. And it's the world's first all-in-one portable 5G device with a built-in screen because it's a smartphone in a router. It has a speaker. So wherever you go, pwede kayo karaoke. Karaoke talaga yun. And camera. Makalang weird malaki, pero kasing ganda ng camera ng phone nyo, if not better. And it brings you the power of fast, seamless broadband, whether you're at home or on the go. And through our business solutions consulting, we reinforced our role as a trusted partner to enterprises, especially the SMEs or the mid-market customers, helping them harness technology so that their operations are more secure, agile, and future-ready, so they serve more customers in their businesses. These aren't just features nor products, but they're proof or a testament of our conviction that technology should never be built for its own sake, but to include, protect, and most of all, enable and empower our own customers. This event isn't a one-off. We will do this every quarter. The Blueprint is a standing and an open invitation to everyone among you here so that you will see exactly firsthand how we think, which is open, evolving, or evolutionary, and grounded in real life. We're not about highfalutin innovations. We are about innovations that actually solve real life problems or real world problems. If today's program sparked curiosity, hope, or maybe a little bit of inspiration and excitement, especially tatlong loop ang makukuha ninyo. That's exactly the kind of energy and enthusiasm that we want to sustain with you and our customers. So uulit-ulitin natin po ito. Hindi po palaging may libre, pero may palaging sorpresa. Not just for you, our leader friends, but also for our customers. So we invite you to go deeper, explore our platforms and services, talk to our teams, kaya sila nandito, huwag niyong pauwiin, and be part of the conversations as you yourselves continue to experience our own services. So thank you again for your time, your trust, and your belief in what's possible. We are like-minded individuals wanting to grow this industry the right way. Let's keep building with purpose, with empathy, and always with the Filipino customer in mind. Let's move forward to a future where technology empowers and enables us all. This is Darius Delgado, the Chief Commercial Officer of Globe, and this is Blueprint for Everyone.
Thank you.